Working on the concept of in-between spaces often reflects a personal journey of searching for identity and a sense of belonging. Inspired by my own experience of navigating different emotional landscapes, I explore the idea of states of being. Growing up in a city with a constant backdrop of man-made structures, I felt simultaneously connected and disconnected from nature. At Lunuganga, I was a visitor to a different kind of home, a place where architecture and nature coexist in harmony. Here I found myself drawn to the hidden corners, searching for the birds that call this place their own. The installation at Sandalla is a collection of drawings featuring garden birds, both real and imagined. To best showcase the artwork and complement the space, each panel was curated with the team to install in the space seamlessly to enhance the experience. The negative space in my painting represents the tree branches I have extracted to expose what's hidden beyond the layers of trees. The indoor installation explores the theme of human interaction with the built environments, specifically how one perceives nature in fragments that create a frame within a confined space. The indoor and outdoor elements were designed to converse with each other, creating a continuous narrative. The perch installation evolved from my early sketches and small wooden perches I would build for my birds. Creating my first site-specific installation at Lunuganga provided me a unique and inspiring backdrop for my work. The installation is framed by the entryway to the field of jars, almost creating the illusion of levitating, bird nest-like structure. The installation was designed to be subtle intervention that enhance rather than overshadow the existing beauty of Lunuganga. The form of the installation was inspired by Bawa's garden, which showcases the nature in two distinct forms. The installation brings a visual contrast between industrial materials and the natural elements. The vertical cut across the branches symbolize the interplay between man-made geometric shapes and the organic form of the nature found at Lunuganga. The installation responds to the natural elements such as light, weather, and plant growth, reflecting the dynamic nature of the ecosystem. Crafting my first garden installation as part of 75th year of Lunuganga Garden was sought to honor and build upon Bawa's vision, creating a deeper appreciation and understanding of both the art and ecology. It was an opportunity to express gratitude to a place that has deeply inspired me.